Intersect. If you go to Home tab, here it is Intersect. Go to the Solid tab and here it is Boolean operation. This is Intersect to. Which is intersect object, that object only you will get. In this object and this object, if I made intersect, these two object common area you will get when you intersect. Just go to the intersect and select the object and enter. Now you can see the common portion, you will get it like this. And I go to again intersect and select the object one by one, enter. Now you will get it the common portion like this. If you made like this also, you will get it this area cylinder only, you will get it as a common portion. I just go to the intersect and select this all the things, enter, you will get it the common portion. So this is the way to create intersect in AutoCAD 3D.